Hello everyone, let's prevent a solution given this nested square root radical expression, which is the x root of 4 multiplying by square root of 2 multiplying by square root of 2. This is equal to 32. So what is the value of x? Now solution from here, we have x, that is the x root of 4 multiplying by square root of 2 multiplying by square root of 2. This is equal to 32. So what is the value of x? Now, if you're given the square root of a, we can express this as 8 power half. Okay? So applying this property, then this means we can express this as 4 square root of 2 multiplying by square root of 2. This is equal to 32. So in this case, this is raised to power 1 over x. If you apply this property, square root of a, this is 8 power half. So this is the same thing as 4 square root of 2 times square root of 2 raised to power 1 over x. Now let's eliminate this x here by multiplying both sides by x. So here you'll have that 2 raised to power x. Now let's simplify here so that now we have 4 square root of 2 multiplying by square root of 2. This is equal to 32 raised to power x. The next step here, let's square both sides. Let's square both sides so that you can eliminate the second square root sign. Now here we have 4 squared, okay, multiplying by, now this square root sign simplifies here, so multiplying by 2, this is 2 to the power 1, multiplying by square root of 2, this is equal to, now this is 32 raised to power, this is x times 2, which is 2x, following the property that 8 power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as 8 power n multiplying by m. Okay, now from here, let's again square both sides. So this is 4 squared times 2 to power 1 times, now here we have square root of 2. We're saying that we square both sides so that here we'll have 32 to power 2x raised to power 2. The next step here, we have 4, this is 2 times 2, so we have 4 to power 4, multiplying by, this is 2 to power 1, so here we have 2 to power 2, multiplying by, now let's eliminate the square root sign here, so that times 2, and this 2 is 2 to power 1, this is equal to 32 raised to power 2x times 2, this is 4x. The next step here, we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So let's substitute this. So you will have 2 to power 2 raised to power 4 multiplying by 2 to power 2 multiplying by 2 to power 1. This is equal to 32 raised to power 4x. So now we have 2 to power 2 raised multiplying by 4, which is 2 to power 4 times 2, this is 8, multiplying by 2 to power 2, multiplying by 2 to power 1, this is equal to 32 raised to power 4x. So now from here, this is actually in the form of a to power n multiplying by a to power m, which we can express as a to power n plus m. So here we'll have 2 to power 8 plus 2 plus 1. This is equal to 32 raised to power 4x. Now here, let's open the bracket here so that we'll have 2 times 4, which is 2 to power 8, multiplying by 2 to power 2, multiplying by 2 to power 1. This is equal to 32 raised to power 4x. The next step here, 2 to power 8 times 2 to power 2 times 2 to the power 1. This is in the form of 8 to the power n times 8 to the power m, which we can express as 8 to the power n plus m. Applying this indices identity, then here we'll have 2 to the power 8 plus 2 plus 1. This is equal to 32 raised to the power 4x. Now the next step here, we'll have 2 to the power, this is 8 plus 2, which is 10, 10 plus 1, this is 11. So we'll have 2 to the power 11. So here we have 2 to the power 8 plus 2 plus 1, which is 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, this is 11. So we have 2 to the power 11. This is equal to 32 to the power 4x. The next step here, we can express 32. 32 is basically 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is essentially equal to 2 to the power 5. Now here we have 2 to the power 11. This is equal to 2 to the power 5. Okay, all this multiplied by 4x. So you will have 2 to the power 11. This is equal to 2 to the power 5 times 4, which is 20x. Okay, so since here the bases are common here, that is 8 to the power n is equal to 8 to the power m, and since the bases are common, then the exponent n is equal to m. So applying this property, then we'll have 11 is equal to 20x. Let's divide both signs by 20, so that now the value of x is equal to 11 divided by 20. Now this is the value of x. Okay, so thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.